Hello and welcome to High Caliber TV, your source for figure and model updates every Wednesday and Friday. So today I am back in the workshop finally after the renovations. So I'm getting back into the swing of making videos and getting projects finished. So here we have one of the most recent additions to the High Caliber Miniatures line is Rado Miniatures from Poland. The incredibly talented Radek Pituch, however you say it. This is his company. Paints and sculpts them, produces them. It's absolutely fantastic. This is one of the initial 3. We currently have 9 of the sets on the website, and there's another 3 incoming. So get ready for those. The history that this guy goes into is absolutely fantastic. The reference photos, he talked to me a little bit about some of the stuff that he does. And if you know anything about, the sort of super in-depth SS camouflage or the uniform specificities, this is the company for you, because the stuff he was talking to me about was like over my head, and I consider myself an enthusiast, but I'm definitely not on his tier as far as the knowledge of these uniforms and units and the actions they were in, etc., etc. So yeah, let's break right into this one. So this is 35th scale, single figure. This guy comes with, I believe he comes with 2 head options, yep. And the casting is just fantastic. Really crisp, fine detail. So as you can see, this is the sort of prime component. Single piece. Casting is immaculate. Yeah, I have just nothing but great things to say about this. It's always a little, you wonder sometimes when you get approached by a new company and, can they be up to the same standards as the current ones, like, let's say, Evolution and Alpine would be pretty high up there on the roster. And yeah, he just came out swinging. This is absolutely fantastic work. Really sharp. You see a little bit of the sheen off there. I would highly recommend you just give him a little bath with some soapy water, soft brush, old toothbrush, something like that, to rough up the surface just a little bit. You don't want to be rough with this stuff, but yeah, just before painting, I would do that, then apply a primer. So that's the main component. His hand, the casting on these is, you can tell Radek is a figure modeler because the casting incorporates all the stuff you would expect a figure modeler to think of. This is his bandaged hand, is covering the action of the Car 98. And that slots in perfectly. There's a groove in the crook of his arm there, where the Model 98 goes out. Absolutely fantastic fit. Take a look at a couple of the head options here. And these don't come, not every Rado kit comes with 2 head options, but so far 6 of the 9 do. And some of them, the British ones especially, do come with photo etch for rank markings. And so, they also come with, the British ones also come with decals, which is just fantastic. I mean, some figure companies do that, Bravo 6 being the notable one, and they really are a game changer. So yeah, so this is my sort of first unboxing for the Rado Miniatures line. Battlefront Normandy, SS Panzer Grenadier Regiment 25, 25 from summer 1944. So stick around, I'm going to be showing my progress on the build of this figure. And we're back. So this is the built up and counter shaded figure from Rado. I wanted to start incorporating this process into some of my unboxings because I know when you watch a movie or a video on YouTube unboxing and all you're seeing is the gray resin, it can be kind of difficult to see if there's a lot of definition or not, but there is definitely a high degree of detail on this figure. The thing went together so smoothly. All I had to do was clean up the casting block sort of surfaces, but that's pretty much par for the course for any resin figure you're going to get, so nothing out of the ordinary there. I went with the steel helm, and yeah, I mean, really, a lot of times I do like action poses for vignettes where, you get a fire team or a group of figures together on some urban thing, or, base. And for the single figures, though, a lot of times I do like to have them pictured at rest, I suppose you could say. And this guy definitely fits the bill for that. As you can see, there's the fit for the Model 98 into his arm is just so crisp. No filling required because of the way the cuff of his smock there goes over his hand. You don't have to do any filling with that, which is nice. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, there he is. New figure from Rado Miniatures. Check him out at highcaliberminiatures.com. Links in the description below. Follow us on mainly Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You can subscribe to our newsletter on the homepage of the website. Get updates, special offers, which I occasionally do through the newsletter. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.